Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I did this look. Now it's not a tutorial, it's going to be a quick run through, but I'm going to leave all the products that I use down below in the description box. And I didn't do anything new for this complexion. I did my same foundation routine I do every time. If you want to check out a dedicated video for that, I will leave it up here in the cards and down below in the description box, just in case you want to check it out. I have normal to dry skin, so if you have the same skin type, you might want to try out these products that I use to get my complexion. And you guys have already known about this wig. This is my go-to wig for the season. 7x7 loose wave transparent lace closure from Barry's Hair on AliExpress. And then the bundles are the loose deep wave from Julia Hair on AliExpress, and I bleached and dyed them a purple color. I've given an update I think already. I love the lace closure. Lace closure is bomb. The bundles do tend to shed, not a lot. I mean, they're not shedding like chunks, but they do shed a strand here or there, which kind of gets annoying. And they do kind of tangle at the end. So it's not the highest quality hair, but I think if I try to do this style again, I'm definitely going to repurchase the closure, but I'm just going to switch out the bundles. And then for these eyes, these are from TTDI.com. I spoke about the Egyptian brown contacts that I've worn in several videos. So these are the new ones. These are the Queen Gray. So that's what they look like. So the only thing I did different for my complexion today was I did my contour a little higher. I have gained a lot of weight. So I wanted to snatch my face up. So I did place my contour a little bit higher than I usually do. But yeah, besides that, everything else is the same. So if you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay guys, that's it for this video, and I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!